Hello, good day everyone. I am teacher Malu and welcome to our English 8 class. In this video, you will be learning about literal versus figurative meaning of words in English. Okay, so we have here figurative versus literal, which is also called as literal and figurative language. This is the first part in the series of the figure of speech. And as we know, trees need to have strong roots in order to get good fruits. And this video serves as a root for understanding figure of speech in English. So, let's get started! In English, words are phrases that can have two meanings when they are being used. First is the literal, and second is the figurative. Literal means whatever which is being said is meant as per the words being used. So meaning to say, the meaning is directly stated, and the dictionary meaning of the words. While figurative means drawing the mental picture of whatever is being said. So there's a hidden meaning behind. And it helps convey an idea faster and more vividly. Now let's understand this concept with an example. Bolt ran really fast in the race. In this sentence, it is stated literally that Bolt runs fast in the race. Now, let's take a look on the second example. Bolt ran like a cheetah in the race. Here, in this sentence, what happened is that your mind started to create a picture of Bolt running and a cheetah. By doing this, you start comparing Bolt to cheetah, so your mind starts to understand more. Now I think you are now clear with the literal and figurative meaning of words. Literal meaning of words are categorized in the literal language, while the figurative meaning of words are categorized in the figurative language. Now let's take a look into some more examples of literal and figurative language. The first sentence, this briefcase weighs a lot. Here we can understand that the briefcase weighs a lot, or the briefcase is heavy. While on the other sentence, this briefcase weighs a ton. Here, it does not actually mean that the briefcase really weighs a ton, but we exaggerate it in order to make the sentence more interesting and emphatic. You may be asking when to use literal and figurative language. So for literal, you can use it in highly technical stuff, just like for example when you are having your scientific research paper, in order for your readers to easily understand your research. While figurative, it is used in order to make your work more interesting and more dramatic, just like for example in poems, short stories, and plays. I hope you are now clear on how to use literal and figurative language. So now let's have a recap from our topic. So firstly, we were able to define literal and figurative language. So when we say literal, the meaning is directly stated, while figurative, the meaning is indirectly stated. And then you were given examples about literal and figurative language. And finally, you were given a tip on when to use literal and figurative language. So, we are going to use literal language and highly technical stuff, just like having a research paper in order for your readers to easily understand your research. While figurative, It can make our work more interesting and more dramatic, just like in poems, short stories, and plays. And that's all about literal and figurative language in this video. Once again, this is Teacher Malu. Thank you for listening and have a good day, everyone.